Hi guys, happy Saturday. So, my goodness, I'm on my way to the gym now. I'm gonna go do a light workout, hoping I can take you guys in for a little bit. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna work out, and yeah, I'm so tired. It's 8:30 in the morning, so no sleeping in this weekend. Alright guys, see you at the gym.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Hi guys, so I just got out of the gym looking kind of crazy, a little flushed, but had a good workout, went on the treadmill and did some legs and booty. Really good. I kicked myself in the butt. It was good. Now we are going home, making breakfast, and sorry, I'm out of breath and I'm trying to think. I think that's it, but I'll keep you, wow, I can't speak. I'll keep you guys posted and I'll see you all in the next clip. So I made it home. I'm gonna make myself a smoothie now, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna put in my smoothie. Okay, so I got Trader Joe's non-fat yogurt in the vanilla flavor, so I'm gonna add a scoop of yogurt. I'm adding a ripe banana. I'm adding mango chunks from Trader Joe's, and I'm also adding fresh strawberries. So that is gonna be my after workout smoothie slash breakfast. Okay, so I got my smoothie. I'm gonna drink this. It smells so good, it's so tropical, and yeah, it's really healthy for you. So I'm gonna drink this and yeah, taste test. Oh my god, so good. Love it. All right guys, see you later. Hi guys, I look kind of crazy, but I just had my smoothie. Now I'm gonna run to go get some supplies for a video that I'll be filming today. So yeah, I'm gonna run. I'm not gonna show you where I'm going because I think you're gonna see this video before you see the other videos. So yeah, so subscribe so you don't miss that video. And all right, I'm gonna go ahead and drive to the place. Hey guys, so I just showered, I washed my hair, I brushed it, I'm just letting it air dry real quick, but I realized I didn't have coffee today, so I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna get ready, put on some makeup, and yeah, so I'm gonna make myself some coffee right now. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna get ready, put on some makeup, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so since this is like a vlog slash of what I eat in a day, I almost forgot to show you guys that I took a little snack. These are the Girl Scout cookies. These are the tagalongs. Super delicious. I put mine in the fridge, and yeah, I'm just eating it right now. And sorry, I'm gonna bite. I'm gonna take some Instagram pics, so I'm gonna go do that and then come back and make lunch. So I'll show you guys what I ate for lunch. Hey guys, so done with today's pics. Gonna go home, gonna eat. What am I thinking? I'm probably gonna have grilled chicken and a salad and something else because I'm starving. But yeah, it was so windy out, my hair's like a mess. But yeah, hoping to eat something good today. Was hoping to have a barbecue today, but that didn't happen. So, you know, we gotta wait for summer to have that barbecue. But yeah, gonna go home, eat some good lunch, and yeah.
Turn left.
Hi guys, so we just got home and I'm eating some leftovers from dinner last night. So we went to an Italian place, so I have ravioli, a little piece of chicken, and that's what I'm gonna eat. I might eat a snack later, but we'll see. And I'm also drinking the Trader Joe's sparkling water. So yeah, that's gonna be my lunch. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna want a snack probably later, but keep you guys posted. So it's a little bit later and kind of got a little hungry, so I'm gonna eat some grapes. So excited. These are green seedless grapes. Oh shoot, green seedless grapes, and I'm just gonna eat a couple of those, and yeah, later on I'll eat dinner. So we went to Chipotle and I got a veggie bowl. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Let me see if I can put you down. Okay. So I got the veggie bowl. I got rice. I got corn, black beans, mild, medium, and cheese. This is like my favorite thing to get. I don't get meat. I haven't gotten meat in a while. But yeah, this is my go-to order from Chipotle. I also got flour tortillas, and I also got a lemon, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna eat, and yeah, let you guys know if I eat anything else. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. So we are on our way to the gym. We normally try to go on the weekends because it's easier for us since we work full-time. So we're on the way to the gym, and I don't think I'm going to take you guys in just because it's a class that we're taking. So if I can, I will, and if not, I'll see you in the next clip. Hi guys, just got out of the gym. It looks so crazy, but the workout was so good. This is like our favorite class to go to because the instructor that teaches it is so good. Like, he really pushes you and you feel like you got a really good workout, which I love. So good. And it sucks he only teaches it once a week, but we make sure to wake up early to make it to that class. So yeah, killer workout. Now we are on our way to Trader Joe's to do a weekly grocery shopping, I think. Yeah, right? I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna go get Trader Joe's. I'm gonna take you guys and show you what we get. What was I gonna say? Oh, and then I'm gonna do a little grocery haul after. So yeah, see you guys at Trader Joe's.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found.
Hi guys, so I'm back home and I wanted to show you guys what we got from Trader Joe's. So yeah, this is gonna be a little Trader Joe's haul. Okay, so here's just an overview of what we got. So I'll start over here. We got bananas. We also got these whole wheat flour tortillas. I'm gonna make wraps this week. We also got eggs to use for the pancake mix that we got. We were really craving pancakes, so we got this mix. We also got 2 types of meat. We got pork chops and there's chicken under there. We also got white sliced mushrooms. Steven got mac and cheese. He says this is really good. I got a sparkling water. I heard really good things about this. This is the Mexican style corn and quinoa salad. I heard it's really good, so I wanted to try it out. So probably gonna eat that for lunch sometime this week. These are our absolute favorites. We get them every single time we go to Trader Joe's. These are the ice cream sandwiches. They're amazing. I also heard really good things about this. This is the Mexican style roasted corn with cojita cheese. I think that's how you say it. So yeah, I heard it's like a really good side. So I got 2 packets of that. We also got broccoli and cauliflower just to do like roasted veg with potatoes. These are the like mix. They have like the yellow and the reds. We got a couple of organic kiwis. We also got green beans, so we're gonna do like veg roasted. So all of that. Also Brussels sprouts, all in a pan. And we got a couple of gala apples. They're our favorites. Blueberries, I have yogurt in the fridge, so I like to eat blueberries with yogurt. Cucumbers, because we always need those. A bag of baby spinach. And for our little munchies, I guess, we got the rolled corn tortilla, chili and lime flavored. These are my pick. They're my favorite. I love these. They're like perfect and hot. I love them. And then these are Steven's faves. They're the organic corn chip dippers. So good, and I like to eat them too with the hot pico de gallo salsa. Amazing, these two. And Steven got the dark chocolate peanut butter cups. These are really good. And we just got a case of water. So yeah, that's all we got from Trader Joe's. Really easy, simple food for the week. Hi guys, so it's much later in the day and we have been just hanging out, doing laundry, getting ready for the week. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in next week's video. Bye.